do this?
Go away, you poor thing! What we had is over, Bella. I don't want to know you anymore.
How could you do this to me, Richard, on our wedding day? You're surely not human. You're a devil.
My mother was right. I'm marrying Goldie. And take your cheap watch. I don't want anything to remind me of you again. Goldie will be my wife and the mother of my children.
No! It wasn't supposed to be like this. He promised.
Look at the mess. Good riddance. She actually thought she could.
I will make you regret this, Richard.
I want to sell this dress. And do you have any old dress I could wear instead? Thank you. Oh, meow. Meow. You're welcome.
Good luck with the machine, and hopefully next time you'll come back to buy better fabric.
Thank you so much. Oh, this is hopeless. Give me a chance. It's high quality.
Sorry, I deal with big merchants. Go on your way.
Handmade dresses. Handmade dresses for your little ones. Please take a look.
Who is this poor thing? Did you make these beautiful dresses?
Yes, ma'am. Handmade and of superior quality. I love these dresses, and I will take the entire lot.
Oh!
It's all right, my dear.
What are we going to do with all these dresses, Grandma Ginger?
I don't know. I just pitied her. We can donate them to orphans.
Oh, I don't believe it.
Oh, it's real. Oh my God.
Oh, this fabric is divine.
I know you'll do something beautiful with it. Here's your change.
Thank you so much. Another perfect stitch. Just a little more of this silk.
Isn't this one lovely?
Yes!
Yes, it's
Beautiful. I want this one.
coming right up, sweetie.
Tiny paws tiptoe the floor. Meow meow.
This fabric is exquisite. Your work is beautiful. Thank you. I'm glad you think so.
No. Stop. Take that back. That's my money. Don't do anything you'll regret. Security. Security. Goldie, I lost all my money. I need cash.
Enough. I won't support you anymore. You're a beggar now. Let me
be.
Beat it, wise guy. And don't come back. Watch your step.
Open the door quickly for the lady.
Welcome, madam. Thank you. I have a reservation.
Meow meow meow. Come and play. Meow meow meow. Every day. Meow meow meow.
Thank you, Richard.
Meow meow in a marching line.
Oh, I didn't mean to. I never meant to. I never meant to. Oh, why did I do it? Why did I do this?
Where are we? Where are you taking me?
Shut up!
Shut up!
I need this done ASAP. I am leaving, it's getting late.
Please, help me with anything.
I will help you. Get in the car. I will help you. Don't be shy. Eat all you want. This is all on me.
Just a little off the sides.
Yes, perfect. The mane needs volume.
And the claws are nearly done.
You have become extremely handsome. I think I'm falling in love with you.
She brought him straight off the streets. How can she marry him? She doesn't even know him.
Where I am right now. Get ready, I'm coming to you. I have so much to tell you.
I'm waiting for you, darling. I'm so hungry, I haven't eaten for 3 days.
Eat all you want, my dear. Our problems are solved, and we'll have so much money.
Goodbye, darling. I'll be back soon.
I am worried about you. How could you marry a stray cat? You know nothing about him. He might be using you.
I know exactly what I am doing. Know your limits and stop interfering in my life.
Start compressions now.
Vitals are dropping fast.
We need to move. She's losing too much blood.
The impact was extremely severe, which resulted in the loss of her sight. This could be temporary, or it could be permanent.
My love, our chance has finally come.
Who are you and what are you doing in my house?
We need to get rid of her.
Where are we? Where are you taking me?
Shut up!
Shut up!
Finally, we're rich!
And all this wealth and luxury, it will all be ours.
I have to find her.
Help!
All drinks are on me tonight for everyone!
The storm is too strong tonight! I won't leave until I find her! I found her! I found her! Land here!
Vitals are holding steady.
Preparing the graft material now.
It's a miracle. You were right. I was fooled.
This isn't the time for that. Let's focus on your recovery first.
Oh, my dear. We made it.
Good. We follow the plan. We have to take him out.
She's still alive, and she told the police everything. You have 5 minutes to run before they get to you.
She's alive. She alerted the police. We have to get out, now.
We have to move now.
They're gone.
Congratulations to the happy couple!
You look absolutely stunning!
What a perfect day for a meow age.